Tired of blurry footage and unreliable communication on your rides? In this video, we'll explore the best motorcycle cameras that deliver crystal clear video and seamless connectivity, so you can finally stop dealing with disappointing gear. Let's dive into the top choices for this year and elevate your riding experience. INNOVV H5. For those in search of a helmet camera that balances performance and affordability, the INNOVV H5 is a compelling pick. Designed specifically for riders, it captures high-quality 4K video at 30 frames per second and excels in versatility, offering multiple power options and easy adaptability for different mounting setups. Setting up the INNOVV H5 is straightforward, thanks to its thoughtful design and user-friendly feature. Whether mounted on a helmet, handguard, or tail section, this camera transitions seamlessly between applications. The included mounts and compact size ensure minimal bulk, while the IP65 water resistance makes it suitable for diverse weather conditions. The dual power source is a standout feature, allowing for battery-powered recording with a 2,400 mAh pack that lasts up to 7 hours or continuous operation via a USB connection to your motorcycle. This eliminates the risk of running out of power mid-ride, making it ideal for extended journey. Additionally, it supports microSD cards up to 512 gigabytes, accommodating hours of footage. In terms of performance, the Sony 4K sensor paired with electronic image stabilization delivers clear visuals, though it falls slightly short of premium competitors like GoPro in stabilization. The external microphone enhances audio quality, but whine noise is noticeable at higher speeds. Controlling the camera is intuitive via the INNOVV Wi-Fi app, which turns your smartphone into a live monitor. However, the startup process is a bit more involved than other models. At under $300, the INNOVV H5 offers impressive versatility, solid video quality, and rider-focused design. While not without minor drawbacks, it stands out as a practical and budget-friendly choice for motorcycle enthusiasts. DJI Osmo. Moving on to another standout option in the action camera market, let's explore the DJI Osmo Action 4 standard combo. Recognized as a top-tier choice for adventure seekers, this camera combines rugged durability with cutting-edge performance, making it an impressive option. While its photo resolution leaves room for improvement, the Osmo Action 4 shines with its seamless usability and stunning video quality. Offering a mix of advanced imaging capabilities and user-friendly features, this camera is perfect for capturing breathtaking moments without stretching your budget. Its 4K 120fps recording delivers cinematic footage, while the 155-degree ultra-wide field of view enhances immersion. The thoughtful design also includes dual touchscreens for effortless framing and operation, whether you're vlogging or capturing extreme sports. Weighing just 5.09 ounces, this compact device is easy to carry, with its robust waterproofing ensuring reliability in harsh conditions. The magnetic quick-release system allows for fast transitions between shots, unlocking creative possibilities with minimal effort. Setup and usability are simple, thanks to the intuitive app for seamless footage transfer and editing. The time-lapse and slow-motion modes further enhance creative storytelling, while the stabilization features ensure steady footage, even in rugged environments. Perfect for adventurers and creators, the DJI Osmo Action 4 also excels in low-light performance, with its 10-bit and D-Log M color performance, capturing vivid, true-to-life colors. All things considered, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a rugged, high-performance action camera that balances quality and convenience. GoPro Hero 11. For those looking to step up their filming game, the GoPro Hero 11 Black accessory bundle is an excellent investment. Under $400, this bundle delivers high-end performance and versatility that action camera enthusiasts crave. Packed with the Hero 11 Black camera, 2 Enduro batteries, the handler, a head strap plus quick clip, and other essential accessories, it's a comprehensive package ready to capture every moment. The 5.3K video resolution of the Hero 11 Black stands out, offering 91% more resolution than 4K, delivering crisp and cinematic footage. This camera's new image sensor expands the field of view, making every shot more dynamic, while features like Hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization ensure smooth footage, even in the most chaotic conditions. Whether you're skiing, biking, or chasing after your kids, the footage will be steady and professional. The inclusion of Enduro batteries adds tremendous value, extending filming sessions without constant recharging. Plus, the GoPro Quick app enhances the user experience, providing seamless control and editing options directly from your phone. Installation is straightforward with intuitive controls and mounting options, while the compact, rugged design makes it ideal for all types of outdoor activities. With exceptional image quality, ease of use, and advanced stabilization, The Hero 11 Black accessory bundle is a standout in the world of action cameras. If you're ready to invest in top-tier performance, this bundle offers unbeatable value. Highly recommended for anyone serious about capturing their adventures in stunning detail. Insta360. Next up, let's take a closer look at the Insta360 GO 3, which earns its spot as one of the top choices for action camera enthusiasts this year. Compact yet packed with features, this camera weighs just 1.25 ounces and measures 1.0 inches by 2.14 inches by 0.91 inches in size, making it the world's smallest action camera. Despite its size, the Insta360 GO 3 doesn't compromise on performance, offering 2.7K resolution and impressive stabilization thanks to flow state technology. One standout feature is its versatility. The magnetic design allows for an almost endless array of mounting options, making it ideal for everything from motorcycling to vlogging. The Action Pod, which serves as both the charging case and control hub, adds to the user-friendly experience with its flip-up touchscreen, long battery life, and remote preview capabilities. With the added bonus of voice control, you can easily start and stop recording even when the camera is mounted, making it a fantastic hands-free option. For those seeking convenience, the Insta360 GO 3 shines with its intuitive app and a range of unique editing effects that cater to both beginners and seasoned creators. However, its 2.7K resolution may not measure up to other 4K action cameras, and its onboard memory and non-swappable battery might deter users seeking longer recording times or more storage flexibility. Despite these limitations, the Insta360 GO 3 excels in portability and ease of use, positioning itself as the perfect mini action camera for adventurers, creators, and anyone looking for top-tier performance in a tiny package. Highly recommended for those who value convenience and portability. Sena 50C. Introducing the Sena 50C, the ultimate all-in-one motorcycle gadget for this year. Combining a cutting-edge 4K action camera with an advanced mesh communication system, the Sena 50C is a game-changer for riders who demand top-tier performance and convenience. With its sleek, low-profile design, this device not only looks great, but is built to perform under challenging conditions. On the video side, the 50C impresses with 4K resolution at 30 FPS, ensuring every moment of your ride is captured in crisp detail. The 12-megapixel photo quality and 120-degree field of view further enhance its capability. But it doesn't stop there. The 50C's mesh intercom system sets it apart, offering a 1+ mile range and the ability to connect up to 24 riders. Whether you're cruising solo or in a group, communication is clear and reliable.